Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cricket is where we begin. The West Indies defeated hosts Australia by 37 runs in the third and final T20 International in Perth on Tuesday to lose the series 2-1. Electing to bat, the Windies recovered from 79 for 5 to post a competitive 220 for 6. Now, their recovery was led by Jamaica's Andre Russell, who smashed 71 of just 29 balls, including 4 fours and 7 sixes, and Shafin Rutherford, who cracked on unbeaten 67 of 40 balls, which included 5 fours and 5 sixes. The two shared in a record 139-run partnership, the highest ever 6th-wicket partnership in T20 internationals. Roston Chase also made 37 and captain Robman Powell 21. Xavier Bartlett took 2 for 37 for the Australians. Now, chasing 221 for victory, the Australians were restricted to 183 for 5 of their 20 overs. David Warner top scored with 81, while Tim David made 41 not out. Romario Shepherd took 2 for 31 and Chase 2 for 19 for the Windies. Shamar Joseph rounded off a sensational debut month for the West Indies by becoming the first player from the Caribbean to win the prestigious ICC Player of the Month award for January 2024. The Guyanese pacer beat England's Ollie Pope and Australia's Josh Hazlewood to the award. Joseph delivered an incredible performance during the recent Test series against Australia to rise to prominence on the international stage. In a dramatic day-night Test match at the Gabba in Brisbane, Joseph achieved a remarkable feat, taking 7 wickets for 68 runs in the Australian second innings to propel the West Indies to their first Test victory on Australian soil in 27 years. His heroics came despite suffering a toe injury from a Mitchell Starc Yorker the night before. Joseph was also named the player of the 2-match series, having picked up a 5-wicket haul on debut in the opening match as well. Now, there's a call for the implementation of a constitution at the Jamaica Cricket Association, as there are concerns that affiliate clubs have not held annual general meetings nor elections for years. Now, based on checks by TVJ Sports, a majority of the parish associations have not held elections, including the Portland Cricket Association and the Manchester Cricket Association, for several years.
The process was like a dictatorship. I no intend to tell no lie about nobody, because it's from Bonnie Anderson was there. His last election, and Mr. Anderson died for over more than about 10 years. I'm sure say the last election keep is when Mr. Anderson was there.
But according to JCA President Wilfred Billy Heaven, there's not much the association can do at present.
The JCA, through its articles and memorandum, we do not have the specification of other sporting bodies with respect to participating in the JCA elections. It all boils down to the payment of your dues, and you are registered and you play cricket.
Some football news now. Champions Mount Pleasant FC remain a point behind leaders Cavalier after coming from behind to clip Harbour View 2-1 at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on Monday. DeMar Rose sent the Stars of the East ahead in the second minute of play. However, Devontae Campbell in the 25th and Shaquille Bradford 10 minutes later secured the 3 points for the Theodore Whitmore coached team. Mount Pleasant, with the win, moved to 39 points. Earlier at the venue, Waterhouse, they jumped back into the top 6 following their 1-0 win over Veer United. Rivaldo Mitchell scored the only goal of the game in the 25th minute. Waterhouse are now on 26 points, while Veer are 10th with 19 points. And that is the final whistle, and I am Jermaine Brown.
And that's your midday news. I'm Carrie Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for